Guys, this is the alfalfa, and that is the russet apple. This is alfalfa. It has violet and pink flowers. So right now they are almost on my knee, below my knee, the height. My in-laws, the one who owns this, and so that's the favorite apple of my husband. Nothing left to bale. That's it. Look at that. Tiny, skinny hay.
Too dry.
Too dry. Too dry, that's why they didn't grow good. So of course, the same machine that that they used to bale the straw. You can see not much hay. Almost done here. I'm gonna pull some weeds there and thin the carrots. Pull some. We're like a Ferris wheel. In a ride. We're like in a ride. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, bumpy. Oh, you can hear that. It's working now, Kel, or did you do some work?
Yeah, it's been working some, yeah.
Woo! Cold. Is it the hay is not that tall, Cal?
No.
Is this second cutting?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do a third cutting?
We get some rain.
Oh, okay.
Remind me when we come back, you can video that woods right there.
Where?
When we come back, you can show them what the emerald asphalt does. That's a prime example right there.
Oh.
See it? Try to pick
Yep,
up.
yep. Emerald. You call it emerald?
Emerald asphalt.
Ash boar?
Ash.
Ash boar.
Like ash, like is
The tree?
Yep, ash tree, like ash from a fire.
Yeah.
Size. I
Oh.
just took it up to 70 inches. That way it won't get full. I don't think. We'll see.
I can hardly see it. What is he doing?
What's that? What's he doing?
Yeah.
He's getting there somewhere around the road just like this.
Yeah, because I can. Holy smokes!
Well, we're kind of going crossways a little bit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 5?
There's probably 6 bales I got made. So when I get done, I'll have 7.
He's raking it. There's one that came out.
Trying to find it.
Yeah. I cannot even see it when I'm driving that there was a cut hay.
See that yellow stuff there? That's that bird's foot trefoil.
Ah,
That yellow blossom?
Yep.
Yeah, that's bird's foot trefoil. That's a
bird's foot.
bird's foot because when it gets seed pods, it kind of looks like a bird's foot.
Oh,
That's what they grow a lot of in the UP.
oh.
Doesn't look like their orchard has very many fruit on this year, does it? I don't really hardly notice anything on the trees.
Yeah.
On any of them. Just one up by the house I've seen a little bit.
Yeah.
Right behind the
Yep.
house, see that one?
The
That's
green,
the only one there. I mean,
the green one?
yeah, them,
Yeah. The
Yeah.
green apple.
I don't see much of anything else
Yep.
to all of them trees.
Well, kind of like looks like this year's not. They don't. Apple doesn't have a. Even the russet apple. You can see the flowers. Lots of flowers, but.
Must have been there was a frost or something that they didn't
Yeah.
hit them.
Kind of like it's magic, you know. You can see the hay, the cut hay, but when he kind of like he was digging it, like magic. Oh, there's a cut hay.
Yeah, he pulled it out. Because
It's
the other grass, see, this grass is, since we got the rain, it started to grow some. If we could get some more rain this weekend, but this kind of ground down here needs an inch or two of rain. Well, this is it.
Oh, this is the last.
This is it. This is the one we were looking for.
Okay. There's more hay inside, cow. There's more hay inside. Okay guys, my husband is done baling the hay. So he's over there. And I'm gonna drive the pickup truck. And those are ash trees. And they're dead because of this emerald ash borer that came from Asia that's killing them. So I don't know if I can see any bugs right now. Maybe not. It's hard to get inside there. So it's killing a lot of ash tree. Yeah, those are ash trees. So it is devastating. They only got 7 round bale of hay in this 40 acres hay field, and because it is dry, my husband said it needs 1 to 2 inches rain, so they didn't grow good. That's why only 7 round bales of hay that they got. Okay guys, dito na po magtatapos ang video, and nagda-drive po ako dito sa field. Thank you for watching guys. Kita-kits po tayo sa susunod na video. I think my husband, I don't know if my husband is, oh no, he got out. I don't know what he's looking. Maybe he's waiting for me. Bye-bye for now guys. It's okay to video while driving. I'm on the field. I'm not on the road. Ayan po. Wala akong mabubunggo dito unless mabubunggo. Hindi ako titingin at mabunggo ko yung bale ng hay dito. Okay.